In this video, we take you through a complete and detailed process of bathroom wall tile grouting, showing you exactly how to fill ceramic tile joints step by step. You will see how to prepare the grout mixture with the correct consistency, how to apply it evenly across all joints, and how to ensure the gaps are fully sealed for a clean and professional appearance. We cover essential tips for working in a bathroom environment, where moisture resistance and precision are crucial for long-lasting results. You'll also learn how to clean excess grout without damaging the tiles, how to work methodically for an even finish, and how to achieve a perfectly smooth surface. This guide is ideal for both beginners looking to improve their tiling skills and experienced professionals who want to refine their technique. By following each step carefully, you will be able to transform your bathroom wall tiles, enhance their durability, and give them a fresh, polished look. In this extended part of the guide, we go even deeper into the art of bathroom wall tile grouting, breaking down every step into smaller, easy-to-follow actions so you can achieve the best possible results. First, we focus on the preparation stage, where the cleanliness and dryness of the tile joints play a huge role in the final outcome. You will see how to remove any dust, old grout residue, or unwanted particles that could affect adhesion. We also explain how to choose the right grout type depending on your bathroom conditions, whether you need extra water resistance, mold protection, or simply a smooth decorative finish. Once the preparation is complete, we move into the mixing stage, where accuracy in water to grout ratio is critical. We'll show you the correct mixing technique to avoid lumps and ensure a creamy, workable texture that spreads easily without dripping. Then, using the right tools, such as a rubber grout float, you'll see the proper angle and pressure needed to push the grout deep into the joints, ensuring there are no empty gaps left behind. After filling all the joints, we guide you through the cleaning process using a slightly damp sponge in gentle circular motions, which removes excess grout from the tile surface without pulling it out of the joints. Timing is key here. You'll learn exactly when to start cleaning and how to avoid haze or streaks. Finally, we show you the curing process, explaining why letting the grout set properly is essential for strength and durability. By following these detailed instructions, your bathroom wall tiles will not only look beautiful but also remain protected and sturdy for many years. In this in-depth and comprehensive continuation of the tutorial, we go far beyond the basic grouting process, diving into the finer points that truly separate a standard job from a professional-grade finish. The bathroom environment presents unique challenges: constant exposure to humidity, temperature fluctuations, and potential mold growth, so every step must be executed with precision and care. We start by emphasizing the importance of environmental conditions during grouting, the ideal temperature range, ventilation requirements, and how to control moisture levels to ensure optimal curing. Many DIY projects fail because these conditions are ignored, leading to cracks, discoloration, or premature wear. We then explore advanced surface preparation techniques, showing how to use specialized cleaning agents to eliminate stubborn soap scum, mineral deposits, or adhesive residues that could compromise grout adhesion. You'll learn how to inspect joints for hidden imperfections, such as uneven gaps or loose tiles, and how to correct them before proceeding. This preparation phase, though time-consuming, is the foundation of a flawless finish and prevents costly repairs later. Next, we go into meticulous detail about grout selection, not just choosing between sanded and unsanded varieties, but also understanding the benefits of epoxy grout for bathrooms, where water resistance and stain proofing are critical. We compare different brands, explaining how slight variations in texture and drying times can influence the application process. You'll also learn about optional grout additives that improve flexibility, inhibit mold growth, or enhance color vibrancy, giving your project a truly custom touch. The mixing process is elevated to an art form here. Instead of simply combining powder and water, we walk you through gradual blending techniques that allow the particles to fully hydrate, eliminating micro lumps that could cause weak spots. You'll see how adjusting the mix consistency for vertical surfaces prevents sagging while still allowing for deep penetration into narrow joints. We also share the trick of resting the mix for a few minutes before application, a small step that greatly improves workability. Application becomes the centerpiece of this part. We demonstrate the precise grip and motion for a grout float, how to work diagonally across the tiles to fill gaps more effectively, and how to apply just enough pressure to avoid scratching glazed surfaces. Special attention is given to corners and edges, areas where water tends to accumulate, and how to reinforce these zones with careful packing techniques. For intricate patterns or small format tiles, we reveal the micro-pass method, where grout is applied in multiple thin layers instead of one heavy coat, ensuring even distribution without overfilling. Cleaning is treated as a two-stage process: the initial wipe down to remove bulk excess without disturbing the joints, and a secondary polishing stage to remove haze and restore tile shine. We explain how using different sponge textures and water temperatures can make a huge difference, as well as the timing intervals that allow the grout to partially set without becoming unmanageable. You'll also discover the diagonal sweep technique, which reduces the risk of pulling fresh grout from the seams. Finally, we focus on curing and post-installation care. You'll learn why rushing this step can undo all your hard work, and how to maintain ideal conditions for a full cure, especially in a bathroom where moisture levels can fluctuate. We cover sealing the grout after it's fully dried, explaining which sealants provide the best protection against water intrusion, soap residue, and mildew. Long-term maintenance tips are also included, from gentle cleaning solutions that won't erode the grout to periodic inspections that catch small issues. In this ultimate, extended, and highly detailed section of the guide, we go beyond conventional bathroom wall tile grouting and enter the realm of true craftsmanship, where precision, durability, and beauty converge. This part is designed for those who want not only to learn how to fill tile joints but to master every subtle aspect that ensures the work stands the test of time, even under the most demanding bathroom conditions. We begin by exploring the pre-application inspection phase, which is often underestimated yet critically important. Here, we show you how to check for hairline cracks in the tiles, how to spot hidden hollow areas that could compromise adhesion, and how to test tile stability with gentle tapping techniques. We also detail how to assess the evenness of the wall surface with a straight edge or laser level, ensuring the grout lines will look uniform from every angle. A perfectly prepared base can save hours of corrective work later. Next, we address environmental control, a professional secret rarely discussed. The surrounding humidity, room temperature, and airflow directly affect how the grout cures. You'll see how to set up a controlled environment using fans, dehumidifiers, or even temporary coverings to protect freshly grouted walls from sudden temperature shifts. This level of environmental management ensures a consistent cure, preventing shrinkage, cracks, or uneven color blotches. We then revisit material selection, going deeper into the chemistry of grout. You'll understand the difference between polymer-modified and epoxy-based grouts, the role of latex additives in enhancing flexibility, and why pigment stability matters for long-term aesthetics. This is also where we discuss color matching strategy, not just selecting a shade that looks good, but choosing one that complements the tile's tone under different lighting conditions, including warm bathroom lighting and natural daylight. The mixing process in this advanced section is almost a ritual. You'll learn the benefits of using mechanical mixers over hand mixing for larger jobs, how to monitor mixing speed to prevent air bubbles, and the importance of letting the mixture, slake, rest undisturbed, before its final stir. We introduce batch management, where grout is mixed in smaller, controlled portions to prevent premature setting, a technique especially useful for large bathrooms or intricate tile patterns. Application now takes on an entirely new level of precision. We demonstrate the cross-loading method, where grout is applied from multiple directions to ensure complete penetration into the joints. You'll discover how to control float pressure differently for wide versus narrow joints, and how to feather the edges to avoid buildup along the tile edges. For areas like shampoo niches, corners, and around fixtures, we teach the double pass sealing method, reinforcing these vulnerable spots with 2 applications to ensure maximum water resistance. For cleaning, we go into extreme detail about staged wiping. You'll see why using 2 buckets, one for rinsing the sponge and another with fresh water, prevents reapplying residue back onto the tiles. We'll explain the timing of each stage, the initial removal of excess grout, the haze wipe down, and the final polishing pass that brings the tiles to their original shine. You'll also learn the microfiber polish technique used by pros to leave the surface spotless without scratching delicate glazes. One of the most important parts of this advanced section is joint shaping. Rather than simply filling and cleaning, we show how to use specialized shaping tools to create a slightly concave finish in the grout line. This subtle shaping improves water runoff, reduces dirt buildup, and enhances the visual symmetry of the wall. We then move into curing and post-application sealing, breaking down the science of. In this elite, final level segment of our bathroom wall tile grouting masterclass, we elevate the craft to a fusion of tradition and cutting-edge innovation. This is where seasoned craftsmanship meets modern technology, enabling you to not only achieve perfection but to do so efficiently, with precision, and with long-term durability as the ultimate goal. We begin by diving into pre-grouting diagnostics using modern tools. Instead of relying solely on visual inspection, you'll learn how to use moisture meters to ensure the wall substrate is completely dry before application, and laser alignment systems to double-check the uniformity of grout lines. These tools drastically reduce the risk of hidden problems that may surface months or years later. Next, we explore modern material science in grouting. You will discover the latest polymer-enhanced grouts designed for extreme adhesion, antibacterial protection, and UV resistance, ensuring your grout won't yellow or weaken even under harsh bathroom lighting. We also introduce smart grout sealers with nanotechnology that actively repel moisture and stains at a microscopic level, keeping the grout looking new for years with minimal maintenance. One of the biggest advancements in this stage is the precision application workflow. We break down the process into micro stages, where each square meter of wall is handled with a repeatable pattern of filling, smoothing, shaping, and partial cleaning before moving on. This ensures consistent results across the entire wall, avoiding the common problem of joints that look slightly different depending on when they were filled. We then introduce machine-assisted cleaning techniques, such as using low-vibration orbital buffers with microfiber pads for haze removal, giving the tiles a showroom shine without risking scratches. We explain how these machines can be adapted to small bathroom spaces, and how to control speed and pressure for optimal results. Moving into extreme detail work, we share the dual tool joint refinement method, where a narrow edge float and a precision shaping stick are used together for perfect corner alignment and edge definition. This is particularly valuable in complex bathroom layouts with decorative borders, mosaics, or accent strips where standard tools can't reach. We also cover grouting in challenging environments, such as bathrooms with underfloor heating or walls exposed to direct sunlight. Here, thermal expansion can subtly shift tiles over time, so we show you how to select grout with high flexibility ratings and how to apply it with joint spacing techniques that allow micro movements without cracking. Long-term grout care is elevated in this section to a proactive protection plan. This includes scheduling periodic deep cleans with pH-neutral solutions, spot repair kits for immediate fixing of minor wear, and refresh coats of sealant every 12 to 18 months for high-use bathrooms. We even go into customer education, how to explain to homeowners the right way to clean and maintain grout so it lasts decades. Finally, we wrap up with project documentation and legacy building. This is something few professionals do but can set you apart in the industry. We show you how to photograph and log each stage of the project, creating a visual record for your portfolio or for client reassurance. Not only does this serve as proof of quality work, but it also becomes an invaluable reference for future maintenance or renovations. By mastering the concepts in this sixth section, you will have reached the pinnacle of bathroom wall tile grouting expertise. This is not just about filling joints, it's about delivering flawless, enduring results backed by science, technology, and time-tested craftsmanship. With the combined knowledge of all previous sections, you now hold a complete blueprint for world-class grouting that will keep your. In this ultimate 7th chapter of our bathroom wall tile grouting masterclass, we step into a realm where craftsmanship is not just a skill, but a complete engineering discipline. Here, every movement, every choice of material, and every environmental adjustment is calculated for maximum precision, aesthetics, and endurance. This is the stage where you, as the installer, no longer follow a process, you create a performance. We start with forensic pre-analysis of the tiling surface. Instead of a simple, check for gaps, approach, you learn to map the wall in micro-sections, identifying tiny height deviations between tiles, potential stress points where the substrate may expand or contract, and the capillary effect, zones where moisture can creep in from behind. By understanding these points before grouting, you can make targeted adjustments to ensure the finished work will survive decades of daily bathroom use without visible wear. Next, we move to precision grout chemistry customization. Instead of using grout straight from the bag, you'll discover how to tailor the mix by adding microfibers for tensile strength, UV stabilizers to prevent discoloration under artificial bathroom light, and nano-silica particles for a smoother, stain-resistant finish. We'll explore the exact mixing sequences, hydration times, and controlled stirring speeds that produce a grout blend designed for your exact wall conditions. Then comes the hyper-controlled application phase. Here, we integrate both manual skill and guided tools. You'll see how to use laser cross lines not just for tile placement, but for grout distribution, ensuring perfectly symmetrical lines that the eye perceives as flawless from any angle. The application process is done in overlapping grids, with a carefully timed rhythm that prevents premature setting in one area while working on another. We go deeper into specialized zone reinforcement. Around fixtures, window edges, or shower niches, you'll learn the triple-layer protection system. 1. Deep joint packing for maximum fill density. 2. Flexible